In this video, we'll discuss preheat indicators in oven performance. Preheating is very important when baking at temperatures above 275 degrees, or when baking items with short cooking times such as cakes, cookies, biscuits, and other pastries. However, preheating is not required for meats, poultry, or casseroles. When preheating, the bake and broil elements will cycle on and off. This cycling allows the oven to reach and maintain the desired set temperature. Some ranges and wall ovens have a preheat indicator light, display, or an audible preheat signal to indicate that the oven reached its set temperature. On other models, there is a signal that indicates when the oven is ready for most prepared frozen snacks or meals, even if the oven is not fully preheated. For models that do not have a preheat indicator, wait approximately 10 to 20 minutes to allow the oven to preheat. Time may vary depending on the model. Keep in mind that most convection ovens and ranges have a convection conversion or auto recipe conversion feature, which will automatically calculate and adjust the set temperature for better convection cooking performance. When using this feature, there's no need to adjust recipe temperature or time. When switching from an older oven to a newer oven, you may notice slight variations in timing and cooking performance. For the first few uses of your new oven, follow your recipe's suggested times and temperatures and use the rack positions recommended in the cooking guide section in your owner's manual. If your new oven seems to be cooking too hot or too cold, adjust the oven's thermostat setting to meet your specific cooking performance. For further instructions on how to adjust your oven set temperature, please refer to your owner's manual or our online support videos. We do not recommend using a store-bought oven thermometer to test the oven's temperature. The oven's temperature fluctuates to maintain an average set temperature. Therefore, the temperature will vary from different points in the oven. You can easily test to see if your oven is cooking properly using the biscuit test. For more information on how to perform this test, visit the owner support page and search Oven Temperature Bake Test.